Hello, my listener. My name is Ambrose. Today's topic we are going to talk about copy, paste, and cut in computer system. Today's topic is not only for the basic for the elementary area. As long as you are using computer system, on one or the other, you must involve in this copy and paste command we want to discuss today. Alright, so today we are going to explain in detail or briefly who invented this copy and paste command in computer system, or who brought the idea. This is my course outline that I want to take today. Alright, who invented it or who brought the idea into the computer scientists, how to use this copy, cut and paste in computer, what is copy, paste and cut, how to use it within the computer and outside the computer system, where does this copy or paste reside, alright, after issuing this command. Some important key about this copy and paste and cut. Alright, now copy and paste command is one of the most important shortcut or important key that as long as you are involving in computer activity, whether in your office or anywhere you find yourself, you must use this copy and paste command. Copy and paste command we want to discuss is not only for computer, it can also be used for other devices like Android phone, tablets, and computer or desktop computer. As long as you are involving yourself in computer activity or you are involving in anything computer, electronics or computer activities, on one or the other, anywhere you are watching this movie, you must come in contact with what we call copy and paste command. So copy and paste command is one of the most often activity that people normally use when they are dealing with computer activities. So if you are a beginner to this our channel or to this video, just try as much as possible to click on subscription button, so that in order for you to be getting more notification about the computer study we just embark on. Alright, this is the course outline I want to cover by God's grace. Alright, listen and be blessed. Alright, then now, like as I said earlier before, I say we are going to talk about who invented or brought the idea into the computer scientists. There was a man called Lawrence Gordon Tesla. Lawrence Gordon. He was an American scientist who worked in department or in the field of computer interaction. He worked in the field of human computer interaction. You can go online and Google this very picture we are seeing here. This is the name. Just go ahead online and type who invented copy and paste command that we are using in our tablet, that we are using in our computer system or your Android phone. On one or the other, like as I said earlier, you are involving yourself in this copy and paste command and unknown to you. So this is the man that actually invented the copy and paste command in our computer system. He was born on 24th of April 1945, according to some brief research I just made, and he died on the 16th of February 2020, and he has only one child. This is the parent's name. Alright, this is a brief detail about the man who actually invented this copy and paste copy and paste and cut we want to discuss now. Okay, now what do I mean by copy and paste? The copy and paste command, I wrote my definition. I said is a command prompt that is used to activate duplication process. Then while paste is a command used to duplicate that which has copied. Then the last one, which is cut. Cut, known as move, because cut can also be referred as move. Cut is used to move the object or to move object from one place to another, either within the computer system or outside the computer system. Then we have another one again, which is okay, that is the cut. This is copy, this is paste, this is cut. You may ask yourself question over there, you that's watching this movie, what is the essence of me listening to this video, or what am I going to derive from this video? Like as I said earlier, on one or the other, you are involving yourself in this activity of this copy and paste, because if you are using computer system, 2 to 3 minutes, or let's say 1 hour or 2 hours, if you are using a computer service, if you are rendering computer service, or you are using it in office, whether in school, auditorium, anywhere, you must copy something. Either you are copying art from the flash, or you are taking into the system. Depends on you. So now there's what to call copy. I want us to understand it. Copy cannot do, or copy cannot complete a task without the help of paste. Let me bold this so that we see it clear. Is the main key point I want to explain. And the same thing, paste can also complete a task. Task. I change the capital letter without the help of copy. So they work as husband and wife. So the action cannot complete a task if you issue a copy. For instance, I select these items and right click, I copy. So when you copy, in order for this selected item that I just copied to duplicate, like as I define it here, okay, copy is a command prompt that is used to activate duplication process. You have already activated it. Alright, you have already activated it. You just activated it now, but you have not actually started duplicating it. So I have to come here and you see paste. If I paste, the thing automatically appear before us. So the way the thing works, it looks like a misery, alright, but it's actually a command that we use often when we are working in computer system. Alright, you may ask yourself question again, reason why we need to copy. Well, all the reason may not be covered in this video, because on one or the other you must copy. Maybe for instance, lecturer gave you assignment online and you are browsing, you Google the subtitle or the project topic they give to you, you want to do it online, you can go ahead and Google it. After you got the one you are looking for, select it and you copy. You have already involved yourself in your activities. You want to copy from your 100 internal memory to external memory within your Android phone, or within your Samsung phone, or within the phone you are using. You already involve yourself in the copy and paste. You now want to share your music to your friend. Either you are using Xender, or you are using Bluetooth, or S-Share, or any of the medium that you use to transfer it. you already involve yourself in the copy and paste we want to talk about. Or you connect online, you downloaded a file, or you like a movie, you went to YouTube and download it. The process of you, or immediately you click on download, that is copy, and after the movie has completed downloading, that's what we refer as paste. Automatically you already involve yourself in this copy and paste we want to talk about. So copy and paste activities, I may not be able to cover all the reasons in these very videos, but all I want you to know is that there are procedure, there are steps by steps on how to copy this, how to copy and paste what in your computer system. In your mobile phone, it's very easy. Provided the item is selected, you can go ahead and copy it. So let's talk about how to use it in computer system. So if you are new in our channel, try as much as possible to please just click on that subscription. Clicking on the subscription will help you to get more notification anytime I uploaded it in my YouTube. Okay, so let's start the step. I've given you the definition. This is my definition I wrote, and I also given you the definition of paste. I've given you the definition of cut. Let us understand it and see how this thing works. Alright, so let's go back. Let's go down now to the steps on how to copy and paste. Step on how to copy and paste. I have 3 methods today that I want to cover up. Copy and paste. Step 1, I want to minimize my this very window. So let us learn it one after the other. But before I minimize it, what is step 1? We have step 1, we have step 2, we have step 3, and other steps if you want to use command prompt. Okay, but I don't want to go into more advanced copy and paste by using command prompt. I want to use what I mean by normal interface window on how to do this copy and paste. Alright, so this copy and paste is inside your OS. That is, it's a command prompt that is inside your OS. Don't bother about whether it's inside your OS or whatever. That is not the major thing I want to discuss. I just want to show you procedure on how to copy and paste in your computer system. So step 1, method 1, using mouse only. We have method 1 using mouse only. We have method 2 using mouse and your keyboard. We have method 3 by using only your mouse, and others. First, locate where you store the file in your computer system. What do I mean by this? The most important thing is this: you want to copy a file, you don't know where it is. It doesn't make sense. So ask yourself a self question: what is it that I want to copy? You can't just open computer and you want to copy, you don't know what you want to copy. It's just like somebody who kept a notebook, you are looking for it, or money, but you don't know where you kept it. It doesn't make sense. All you need to do, locate where you kept the file. There must be a place where you kept the file within the computer system, either within the computer system or through network to your colleagues networking. If you are in office whereby the whole system are networked there, so you can go ahead and collect it through networking. So that is the first thing you need to do. Then step 2, let me show you an example of this step 2. Step 1 me to say, let's assume this is my file. This is my file, okay, and this is my picture. Please don't open the file before you copy. If I want to copy it, I've located it. Look at it. I came here, new folder, and I go to Uniben results. Alright, I can locate it. So right now I've already located it. So I don't really know where you kept it. It could be that you kept it in your document. It could be that you kept it in your download. It could be that you kept it in your, I don't know. I can't define or tell you where you kept it. If you don't actually know how to locate a file in computer system, don't worry about that. I'm going to cover the basic in this computer lecture before I start the main program properly. All right, so you can locate it in your external hard drive, you can locate it in your partition hard disk, depends on where the file is. If this is the file, if this is the actual file you want to copy, you can go ahead and copy it. If this is not the file, maybe this is the file, you can go ahead and copy it. All right, but all I need from you is that locate where the file is being kept. All right, that's number one. Then number two, after you locate it, select the item you wish to copy. Please take note. Let's follow the step one after the other. Select the item you wish or you desire to copy. Let's bold this one. We have active and select. It look like if there are two things. In computer they are not, but they means almost the same thing. All right, this one is, I can come here and select this item. If you are googling information online, you select it, just drag and select it down. This one is selected. Then if I say which one is active among the picture we have here, this one is active. Among all the information we have here, this is the one that is active presently now. Among the one that we have here again, this one is active. That I mean by active. Alright, in computer, please take note, because if the object we are talking about you want to copy is not active, maybe if this object, like now, none of this very folder I open, none of them is active. But if I click on this very map, this very picture, all right, if I click on this very picture, this one is active. This is what I mean by active. It's different from you selecting. Please, it's two different words. Okay, so that's why I bolded the two. Select the item you wish to copy, or make sure the item is active. Very important. Very important. Very important. Number 3. After you have selected it as we stated in 2, right click on it and a pop-up menu will display. Please don't worry about the word pop-up menu, it's not really a big deal. Pop-up menu means I right click, this fly up something I just come up, that I mean by pop-up menu. Okay, if you are new, or just right click in case you are not too familiar with the word pop-up menu. All right, a pop-up menu will appear. When the pop-up menu appear, scroll down your mouse, because we are using mouse now, only mouse. Hello, scroll down your mouse and click on and select copy. Now immediately you issue the word, right click and select the word copy. Scroll down please, or move your mouse pointer. You don't even need to scroll down, move the mouse pointer down to copy. When you go to that copy, click on it. You can hear the noise now. I've clicked on it, and immediately the number 4 is now left for you to decide, where should I paste this document? Where do you want me to paste this file I just copy? Am I pasting it inside my flash? Am I pasting it elsewhere within my computer? Am I pasting it into my hard disk? Am I pasting it into my external hard drive? Am I pasting it into network? This depends on you, please. This one is yours. Okay, this one is your own decision, but for the purpose of this lecture I want to paste. All right, so we are currently in number 4. I want to locate where I want to paste it. So I come here, open that place. Should I paste it here? I still have the picture here. Let's paste it here so I will see how it appears. Okay, I paste. You see. All right, I have a paste information here. I have it here. Okay, I can still come here again and paste. So you're going to tell me that I have a duplicate file here. Okay, now let's move to another place again and paste it. I don't have the same similar picture here. Right click and paste. There is something I want to make note to you, very important for the purpose of this lecture. If you are to paste, if you are new to copy and paste, please take note. If you are new to copy and paste, please don't allow any item to be active before you paste. What do I mean by that? When you right click on this very item, this particular picture is active now. If I right click on it, it's going to show me copy. We have already issued the command of copy. The copy command has already taken effect, so I don't need to paste. I don't need to copy again right now, except you want to make a change of what you copy, except maybe what you copied before was not what you intend to copy. So all you need to do is to right click on empty space. That's what I mean. Empty space means any particular space that you have within that particular location, provided please don't right click on empty space. So don't right click on any items. If you right click on items, it will not look like if you want to copy. So how do we move our mouse pointer to empty space? Because the number 5, which is this number 5, right click on empty space. Please take note. Let me bold it so that you understand what I mean. Right click on empty space within that location, and a pop-up menu will appear before you, or a pop-up menu will appear. Then move your mouse pointer down and click on paste. I can come here, right click here and click on paste. You can see I come here and click on paste. Alright, the picture appear here again. I can decide not to paste it here. I can come here, open here, it's already here. Let me open this folder. Let me delete this file here. Right click and click on paste. Okay, what if I don't want to paste it in my external? What if I want to paste it in my external hard drive? I will show you that. Okay, I can come here within, maybe you want to paste in my document, or maybe you want to remove it from where it was before and take it to another place. We are still going to discuss that in this video. So that is this number 5. The number 6 is very important. Why is this so important? Is that a situation whereby you want to copy a file that is huge, the size is much in size. Be patient while the item is processing. Please take note. Let me take away one dot away. You have to be patient, because if you are not patient, or if you went and interrupt it, the copy and paste command will not complete. Just like your data gone off while you are downloading, the file must have downloaded up to 99%, but because of 1%, that file will not play, that file will not preview. So please take note. So that's why you have to be patient while you are copy and paste. Depends on the item you want to copy. Determine the time frame it's going to take. Don't check the way this one just paste. I just come and paste, this thing just appear immediately. No. It's because the file is not much. Let's see this one. This one is 51 size. I can right click and copy. Alright, if I right click and copy, I can come here. I want to create a new folder. Let me create a new folder. Go to new. I can see software. Okay, open it. Now, do you also know that you can right click on these very items and paste inside? The reason why remember I told you that you cannot right click on any item while you are pasting, because this one is a folder. This one is a separate entity of what I'm trying to explain to you. So I can right click on it and paste inside it. Paste. Okay, you can see it appear here. Okay, what I'm going to do is this. Let me go and get huge file within my system and paste it to this location. Where can I get some? Okay, let me go and copy some movie in my partition hard disk, and let's come here. This is some of my file. I can go ahead and select all this one. Don't worry about how I selected all. Select all, just select and copy. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to go to my window that I want to paste it. I want to paste it here. You will see the thing we are going to see our pasting process. It now looks like maybe I'm downloading it from online. Alright, so it's processing now. So when the file is huge, you can even minimize while, or you can pause it because of the nature of the window you are using. Then you can go ahead and play it. Now look like maybe you are pasting. So automatically the video, we have it here. You can see it here. We have it here. Let me split my window so that I see it. Drag it to this edge and the window will split. Okay, automatically I've split my window now. This is the file I just copy now, and these are some of the files I just copy again. This one is here, this one is here. Automatically I still have them. I still have this one, this within the system. I also have it within the system, but it's not actually properly for just because I'm having duplicate item in my computer system. Alright, but just for the purpose of this copy and paste, that's why we are doing all this. Alright, you can go ahead and select and also copy if you are typing, because now the man that you are doing a job, let's say they give a job to do and the manager now say no, what you do, copy, select this item and just bring it down to this place. This can be a stress to you while you are typing this one, or the whole of this place can also be a stress to you while you are typing it. Or if you want to retype it, you can go ahead and select it, right click and copy, and come down to the particular area where you want to paste it and paste. So automatically you have already pasted it. You can come here and also paste, depends on you. So automatically it appear. So remember what I told you on how to copy and paste. What we just did now is just step 1 on how to copy. Know where your document that you want to copy is being stored, then locate where you want to paste it, then right click on it. Just follow this step. I believe you understand it. Okay, so but I want to quickly explain a very important topic about this copy and paste, because I promise you that I will try and cover up this series of course outline I wrote down here. Whenever you copy, where does those things reside? I get now. Where does it reside? Okay. Now when you copy, where do you think they reside? I want to explain very important something to you now. For instance, I right click on this verify. Let me right click on this and copy. Automatically, as long as you have not turned off your computer system, please take note, because one, like as I said, sometimes we are just using this copy and paste in our computer system, but we don't really know how it works, how all these things are performing. So I want to explain a bit to you. If I come here and copy this file is going to follow me. That means when I mean follow me, as long as I'm still working within the computer system, and I have not turned off my computer system, this file is going to be active. It's going to be active until either I turn off the computer system or I issue another command of paste. That means, this is what I mean. If I come here and paste, I can paste here. I can go to another place again. I don't know if this thing has happened to you. When I was working in CorelDRAW, okay, and unknown to me that I copy moving to somebody, I was overcrowded, and I went ahead and copy a movie to the CorelDRAW. The thing, in short, it took time for the distance to paste, and even when the thing paste, it did not work. All right. So what I'm trying to explain is that because I have not really, I thought maybe I've issued a command of copy before to deactivate the one I did before. So copy and paste doesn't actually take anything from the original. All right, I can go ahead and copy this file or copy the whole of this file. Right click and copy. When I issue copy, this very file that I copy will be following me around, except I turn off my computer system or activate another command. For example, I come here, I copy. Anywhere I go, this copy will follow me. Anywhere I go, this copy will follow me. This is the only copy that will be going to be working. I paste, you see, I paste, because this very one is still active, except I come here and activate this one again. Copy all these ones that I just copied before will become inactive. So this is the one that will be active presently now. I can right click and paste. I can right click again and paste. All right, so this is the one that will be active. So but each time you copy a file, anytime you issue the command of copy, there's what we call RAM. Okay, there's what we call RAM. Look at it here. Is in your file, is in your motherboard. You can also have something like this in your mobile phone, but phone may not as big as this, very tiny, because of the portability. All right, so anytime you copy a file, this very RAM, we are going to talk about function of RAM in computer system, that is computer memory. This very RAM will store the file. It will store the file as a temporary form. That is because the function of RAM store temporary information. That is temporary. Anytime the computer go off, all the information that we have in your RAM automatically goes off along. So anytime you turn off your computer system, the computer, all the information that you did will also go off along. Where information reside is your internal memory. We are coming to that, so that I will not deviate for the purpose of this copy and paste. So the purpose of this RAM, it will hold anything you copy, and even if you issue the command of paste, it will hold it for you. So the function of RAM is to hold your copy, and people also refer it as clipboard. Okay, that your RAM store, that is referred as clipboard. Okay, so the RAM is like a clipboard that holds anything you copy. For instance, I copy this, I just right click and copy it. You see, it is not the responsibility of the RAM to hold it for us until we finally paste it. All right, even if we paste it, the copy and paste command is under the RAM memory until the computer finally turn off. So this is the procedure on how to copy and paste in step 1. All right, in step 1. So this is the procedure on how to copy and paste using step 1. So the other step, all right, we are going to continue the other step in our next video. Thank you very much for your time you spent with us. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay, so that you get more notification. Stay blessed and see you soon. Thank you.